we have set a clear, we want to be carbon neutral by 2050, and that as a logistics company, I think is quite a challenge.
If you were to drill down to the basics of an energy cost to get something from A to B, whether that's even on the sort of agenda, because I work in the dry bulk shipping market. So for us, a sort of dollar per ton per mile basis, we are incredibly cheap and very efficient. Is that sort of framework even something on the agenda for in terms of sustainability and carbon footprint of the entire transport journey?
For us, we launched our ESG strategy in March this year. ESG is for environmental, society, governance. And for us, we were the first, I think, to launch a green strategy in 2007. We have started measuring improvement in terms of efficiency of moving product from A to B. But now we have set a clear, we want to be carbon neutral by 2050. And that as a logistics company, I think is quite a challenge. We want to reduce our absolute emission of CO2 from around 33 million tons we produce today to 29 million tons while still growing our business. So it's again a significant improvement. We have ordered the first now electrical planes in the US to make, I think 800 kilometers, 1,000 kilometer deliveries. We have already an electric fleet in Germany, around 20,000 vehicles making the parcel deliveries. We are looking at how can we make our buildings more energy efficient because we use solar panels and other stuff. We actually just signed an agreement with Total a couple of weeks ago here. So it's absolutely become part of our strategy. As of next year, all our management will have 30% of their financial bonus targets related to the ESG targets. If you go here on finance conferences, all the investors talk about ESG because that will become a prerequisite of receiving funding into your company. So definitely it is absolutely high on the agenda, and again will then force us to use the data better to have e-commerce flowing in the most organized ways, using ships and not planes, and really finding the most optimal flows to protect our planet and not have the cases like what I've explained where things go around the planet once and it could be easily avoided.